Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Welcome back. In part 2, we're focusing on simple matzah flatbread meals, from savory options to sweet snacks. Keep it crisp. Toast it briefly in a dry skillet or toaster oven. This is best for pizza-style toppings and anything with melted cheese. Make it chewy. Brush lightly with oil, then heat in a hot oven or toaster oven. The fat warms up and gives you a more flatbread-like bite without turning it soft. Soften it. For roll-ups or gentler bites, do a quick dip in water, then wrap in a clean towel. It becomes flexible fast. Don't soak it like a cracker in soup. A few extra seconds can flip it from soft to mushy. Flavor boosters that make matzah taste less plain. Matzah isn't bland, but it's quiet. A few pantry boosts make it taste like a real dish, not an emergency snack. A thin layer of olive oil or butter helps in two ways. It adds flavor and it helps toppings stick, which also reduces that dry mouth feeling. From there, pick a direction. Garlic, fresh or powdered, or garlic butter. Flaky salt for crunch and pop. Za'atar for a savory, herby finish. Tomato sauce and cheese for classic flatbread vibes. Cinnamon sugar or honey for sweet. A quick sprinkle of cheese on almost anything, because cheese is glue and comfort in one. Easy matzah flatbread meals you can make quickly. Matzah is at its best when you treat it like a base, not a side. Use spreads first, then add toppings with contrast. Something creamy plus something crunchy. Something salty plus something fresh. If you're using the oven, a toaster oven works great for single servings. Watch closely though. Matzah browns fast. Breakfast and brunch ideas that feel filling. Matzah egg and cheese melt. Toast the matzah, add a thin spread of butter or mayo, then top with scrambled eggs and shredded cheese. Broil until the cheese bubbles. Smoked salmon style plate. Spread cream cheese or whipped cottage cheese, then add cucumber slices, capers, red onion and cracked pepper. If you have salmon, great. If not, sliced tomatoes and a squeeze of lemon still hit the same bright notes. Sweet ricotta or yogurt with fruit. Spread ricotta or thick yogurt, then add berries or sliced banana and drizzle honey. A pinch of cinnamon makes it taste like dessert. Tip to keep eggs from sliding. Start with a thin spread like cream cheese, mashed avocado, or hummus. It grips the topping better than dry matzah. With the right toppings and a few small techniques, matzah becomes a reliable base for quick meals any time of day. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.